Hi there, and welcome to Story Time with Uncle Bill. We was over here. We just found this turtle shell. It was over here. A fox just ran by us. Well, matter of fact, one dude was yelling guard and the other dude was yelling fox. I was in the middle of the road looking the other way and seeing this turtle shell. Of course, it's not going to be easy to get to. Man, it just busted me right in the mouth. Just ditch it right in there. This thing been here a while.
That's a whole shell too. Oh, yeah.
That is awesome. My lip bleeding.
Yeah,
man. Look at this.
Yeah. Right there on your lip. What happened?
Wow.
Get you?
Yeah, a stick came up, busted me right in the lip.
Oh.
But I think something else over here too. Well, I done lost it now. It's another some kind of shell. Man, that thing hit me right in the lip. All right.
Yeah, you got a nice little spot.
Man, check that out.
It's all cleaned out for you. It almost looks like it's been soaking in bleach for a week, you know?
Yeah, that is awesome.
All the lines on it, it's pretty cool.
Back half is cracked.
Yeah, the top side's still heavy.
Look at the fibers in the bone.
It's cool as hell. Yeah.
Man, that is awesome.
Yeah, you got 2 shells.
Yeah, this turned out to be a great trip, man. I seen a bunch of alligators, but they didn't get, well, I might have got one. Look at the teeth marks on this one. Look at the teeth marks on it. Oh.
Yeah, those are teeth marks. Where? Look like it. Oh, fuck yeah. Something's going on it.
Yeah, we'll call that right there a good day, folks. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe if you haven't. Peace.